What is up, guys? Darshivity here, and in this video I'm going to be playing Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies, and I'm actually going to be doing a challenge that I go on Kino der Toten, or whatever you say it, and I'm only going to use, what's it called, shotguns. Oh no, pistols. We're only going to use pistols, that's all. So, we gotta go this way. Never mind. We go this way. So, we go to the mystery box and get our pistols. It's actually pretty good pistols, but actually never use pistols in here because I don't like them. But this is a challenge, so I have to do it. So let's just turn on the power and see where damn. Oh, it's right next to us. Alright, I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Alright. So we got a pistol. We're not gonna play until we get another pistol, but that's good. Come on. You can do this. Oh, damn. A shotgun. Wow. We do have a shot. We do have a pistol, so we're able to use it. Speak, hold on. So, the next mystery box is over here, I think. Yeah. It's over here. So I'll be right back when I get a pistol. I got a thunder gun, but I did a no pistols challenge, so I'll be right back. Guys, we have finally got another pistol. So now we have 2 pistols. Now we can start our challenge. Yeah, boy. But unfortunately, it took a long time, so yeah, we're gonna have to make a part 2, guys. So I'll see you guys in part 2.